In this video, I will show you how to read a CSV file or an Excel file in RapidMiner. So when you start RapidMiner, this is what you see. I have some operators here. So I need a read operator, which is under data access. So if I open the data access folder, I see some more folders. And within files, I have a read and write. And within read, I have read CSV, read Excel, and so on. So I will pull a read CSV operator and I will click on import configuration wizard and it defaults to my documents, which has a data file called happiness data. So I select that. So it shows me the data that I have and I click on next. And here it says that country is a polynomial. It recognizes it as polynomial, so that's fine. Score is real because it has decimals, that's fine. So it recognized all of the data correctly. If it did not recognize it correctly, I was allowed to change it. I could change the type to something else, but I don't have to do that here. Okay, so I finish. Now I will connect this out node to the result node here, there, and then I will click on the play button and it automatically moves to the results tab. This is the design tab. This is where I was. The moment I clicked on the play button, it did something, it read the data and it showed me the results. And this is the data. I can see the data. And from here, I can click on visualizations to do whatever visualizations I need. So from here, I can select which chart I'm interested in. Then I can select the variables and all the other parameters for that chart. Back to design. This time I want to read an Excel file, so I bring the read Excel operator. And I can again use the import configuration wizard. And I have a file called COVID-19 case data. Now this file has 4 different sheets, all South America, Europe, and top 3. So I will use all for this one. Click on next. So that's my data. I have data for Afghanistan, Argentina, and so on for these dates. And I say finish. And I can connect the output node of this to the result node. And again, I can click on the play button. There, you can see the data. So I have data from January 22nd, 2020 through November 15, 2020 for all the countries. Actually, I don't have all the countries, but most of the countries. And then I can go to visualization and pick appropriate chart for visualizing this data. Now, if I wanted to do some visualization for not all countries, but South American countries, I will bring another read Excel operator and I can again click on import wizard and select the same data file. But this time I can select the South America sheet and click on next and finish. So this is for South America. And actually I can rename this. I can say COVID South America. You can call this COVID all. You can call this happiness. Similarly, I can have another read Excel and I can call this COVID Europe and import configuration wizard, same data file. And this time I will pick Europe. Next. Finish. And now if I click on the play button, now I can select which data I'm interested in: COVID Europe, COVID South America, COVID all, or happiness, and then click on visualization and do the appropriate visualizations. Back to design. And then I can save this file as a RapidMiner file, RMP file. It's easier to do an export. That way I can export it to whichever folder I'm interested in. If I say save, then it saves it in a local repository. Save process as, it saves in a local repository, and it's sort of hidden within a complex file structure which is hard to locate. Okay, so that's the end of this video.